Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video we are going to talk about one of those little right-click shortcuts that's kind of hidden if you do not know it exists. So stay tuned and we're going to look at how to make a shortcut to quickly lead someone to a certain spot on a website. So here we are on a website. This is the website to my school that I work for. And we're on the mission and vision page. And we're going to scroll down through here and say you're wanting to lead someone directly to a certain spot because you want to have them focus on that certain spot. And you don't want to have to tell them to scroll down or click to the left, click to the right, and so on. So I'm going to scroll down here. And let's say we want to lead someone to the spot on this website where it talks about the strategic plan right here. So I'm going to highlight that excerpt and I'm going to right click, and notice instead of just copying where I can just copy and paste, we can copy this link to this highlight. So I've highlighted it. I want to copy the link straight to that highlighter. So now we're going to go open another tab. We're going to right click and we're going to paste. You can either paste it or here in Google Chrome, you can paste and go right to it. And look what it does. It brought me straight to that spot where I had highlighted on the page. So if I need to tell somebody to go look at this section of this website, I can have it highlighted and it'll come right up for them. So what I did was I highlighted the section that I wanted to go to, right click, copy link to highlight, and then I can paste it in to a new Google tab and it will take me right to it. So hopefully that will be a quick and easy shortcut and help you along in navigating yourself or people to a certain spot on a website. Well, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you learned something that you can find useful in that little new tech tip. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so you're able to find more of my videos for your tech needs, more of my tech tips that come out each week and throughout the week sometimes. And I do hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.